Want to read the market like a pro? Let's break down the 8 most powerful candlestick patterns every trader should know. First, hammer, a bullish reversal candle that shows buyers stepping in after a downtrend. Next, inverted hammer, also bullish, signaling a possible trend change when buyers push prices higher from the lows. Dragonfly Doji, a sign of strong rejection at the bottom. It often marks the end of a sell-off. Bearish Marubozu, no shadows, just power. Pure buying strength driving the candle up. Now for the bearish side. A shooting star warns that buyers failed to hold control at the top. Hanging man looks similar to the hammer but appears after an uptrend, a sign of weakness. Bearish Marubozu shows sellers fully in charge, no buyers left to defend the price. And finally, long upper shadow, a rejection wick at the top that screams, sellers are taking over. Master these 8 patterns, and you'll start seeing the market story before it even moves.